Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Modern Warfare 3. First, you'll need to acquire the game, either digitally from your console store or PC launcher, or by purchasing a physical disc. Once you have it, proceed with the installation process, which typically takes several minutes to an hour depending on your internet speed and platform. After installation, launch the game and either create a new Activision account or log in with an existing one to begin your journey. Modern Warfare 3 offers diverse ways to play. Dive into the heart-pounding multiplayer, where you can compete against other players in modes like Team Deathmatch, Domination, and Kill Confirmed. If you prefer a narrative experience, the single-player campaign delivers an intense story with memorable characters and missions. For cooperative fun, gather up to 3 friends and face endless hordes of the undead in the exciting Zombies mode, working together to complete objectives. To excel in Modern Warfare 3, mastering some fundamental strategies is key. Always pay attention to your minimap. It provides crucial information about enemy pings and teammate locations. Understanding each map's flow and common engagement zones will give you a significant advantage. Don't be afraid to try out various weapons and attachments to build a loadout that complements your preferred combat style, whether it's close quarters or long-range engagements. As you continue playing, focus on refining your skills. Practice your aim in custom games or the firing range, and work on your movement to navigate maps more efficiently. The game features a robust progression system, allowing you to unlock dozens of new weapons, hundreds of attachments, and various cosmetic items as you gain experience and level up. Complete daily and weekly challenges to earn extra experience points and accelerate your progress, enhancing your overall gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.